The Liberty Theater is hosting its inaugural Thanksgiving Day meal for the homeless and the hungry, but they need help from the community. Shay Anderson explains what you can do to help.
Right now, we need, of course, volunteers, people to donate their time. The day before, Wednesday, we'll spend preparing the meal. We're actually going to cook it here on site with volunteers and set up, so we're excited about that. Of course, we need clothes from infants all the way through adults for both men and women, warm clothes preferably. We need turkeys, we need hams, large canned goods.
The Liberty Theater hopes to get a large amount of support so they can continue to do events like these.
Depending on how it goes, even more regularly than that, because we recognize that, sometimes folks are struggling beyond just Thanksgiving and Christmas, and we understand that, so we're hoping to be able to give back more consistently.
The meal will be on Thanksgiving Day. Doors open at 10:30 a.m. and will be serving the meal from 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. If you cannot make it by the Liberty Theater to drop off your donations, there are several locations around the area where you can drop off your canned goods or winter clothes.
To donate for the canned food drive and clothing drive, you can drop off your donations at 821 8th Avenue here at the Liberty Theater behind me, or you can contact them by the phone number on the bottom of the screen. I'm JT Fellows reporting for Into Columbus.